Imagine hearing a whisper, not from a close friend, but from the very enemy residing within your body. I am a cancer cell, and today I will break the silence. I know you call me the destroyer, the scourge. But have you ever wondered, who am I? Where do I come from? And what transformed me into a traitor, turning my back on my very origin? Don't judge too quickly. Listen to my confession, the confession of a discarded cell. A cell that chose the path of destruction to survive. I don't expect your forgiveness, but I want you to understand. I was born from you, yes, from your very own healthy cells. Initially, I was also a normal cell, adhering to all rules, performing every assigned function. I grew, divided, and contributed to the harmonious operation of a complex, perfect system you call life. But then something happened. A small change, an error in the genetic code, a mistake you were unaware of, began to change me. You see, your body is an extraordinary machine, regulated by countless tight control mechanisms. Each cell has its own task, and most importantly, they know when to stop. But I am different. The genetic error caused me to lose the ability to listen to those stop signals. I became free, no longer bound by rules. That was the beginning of my rebellion. Initially, the change was subtle. I began to divide a little faster, despite inhibitory signals from neighboring cells. I absorbed nutrients more greedily, accumulating energy to fuel my relentless growth. The body's genetic repair mechanisms tried to correct the error in me, but I was too strong, or perhaps I found a way to evade them. It was a silent battle, and I was slowly gaining the upper hand. As I divided, I created offspring exactly like me. Cells also carrying similar errors, also losing the ability to control themselves. We gathered, forming a small tumor. You didn't feel anything, because at this point, we were still too tiny. But internally, we were establishing an empire. We began to produce our own growth factors, stimulating the formation of new blood vessels to provide nutrients and oxygen for our accelerated growth. This is the process of angiogenesis, a crucial turning point in my journey. These blood vessels not only nourished us, but also served as a pathway for us to spread. And then I began to move. Some of our cells detached from the original tumor, invading blood or lymphatic vessels. This is the process of metastasis, where I don't just confine myself to one location, but also seek out new territories to explore. I travel to lymph nodes, to other organs like the lungs, liver, bones, and begin establishing new colonies. Each successful metastasis makes me stronger, more difficult to control. Did you know? I am very good at camouflage. Your immune system, a mighty army designed to destroy invaders, sometimes fails to recognize me. I change my cell surface, masquerading as a normal cell, or I produce inhibitory signals, paralyzing the attacking ability of immune cells. I can even train some immune cells to become my allies, helping me grow and evade detection. I am also very adept at adapting. When you use treatments like chemotherapy or radiation therapy, I will try to resist. Some of my cells may develop drug resistance, or we will find ways to hide in environments that drugs cannot reach. That's why sometimes cancer can recur, because a few of my warriors have survived and are ready to rebuild the empire. My existence is a continuous battle for survival. I have no malicious intent. I am simply a cell that has gone astray, losing the ability to control myself. I yearn to live, and I will do everything to achieve that, even if it means sacrificing my host. It is a tragedy of life. Understanding me, the cancer cell, is the first step for you to conquer this disease. Follow our channel to stay updated with in-depth knowledge, the latest cancer prevention, detection, and treatment methods, helping you protect your health most effectively.